Charming. Great location. Live in the county seat of Citrus County, right in the heart of Inverness. Enjoy the outdoors, with rails to trails less than a block and Eden Park boat ramp fishing pier less than a mile away. Point 7. This 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and 1 car garage home is minutes away from downtown, schools, hospital, library, parks, grocery stores, restaurants, shopping, you name it. This homey abode boasts laminate flooring throughout with new windows installed in 2019 that give plenty of natural lighting throughout the home. Enjoy an eat-in kitchen with French doors that lead you out to the backyard, so you can enjoy some fresh air with your morning coffee. Fully fenced property and has a shed for all your hobbies, tools and anything else.